everybody, and you're back with Amy from Perfect Homes. Today I brought you to see this amazing property. It's very unique and is in the city. Let's take a look. And welcome to this huge crib. Where I'm standing right now is the living space that screams out its personality and unique style. Over here you can see there are two big windows, that one overlooks the pool and the other one overlooks a small garden. And the total area of this space is 800 square meters. Let's move on to the dining area. And just wait until you see this kitchen. Come on. Look at this. It's beautiful. So this kitchen has one big kitchen island, actually a TV that is beautiful. And in the kitchen, you have an oven, a microwave, a fridge over here that blends in with the furniture. Over here, we also have a very long counter with a sink and storage space. And over here, we have another fridge for more storage of your food. And if you are feeling like having your meal outside, you can also relax outside and have your meal. And this is our master's bedroom. As you can see, it connects to the garden outside. And imagine waking up to this view every single day. Hashtag blessed with perfect homes. And in this master's bathroom, as you can see, there's one amazing jacuzzi tub and a rain shower next to it. So far, this is the ideal bathroom. And what is behind this is even more impressive. Over here, we have a counter with double sink that when you go through here, with one closet and one toilet over here. And one last thing about this bathroom is a walk-in closet over here. And in this hallway, there are two bedrooms and a shared bathroom. And at the end here, we have a storage space. And at the end of this hallway, it leads to the second floor of the entertainment center. Shall we have a look? Floor, the first thing you will see is the office and the meeting area that connects to the patio outside. And in this hallway above the living space leads to another important room in the house. Let's have a look. And as you enter into this amazing big room, you can see that there is so much potential for your own personal entertainment center that you can personalize. Over here, there are one big pool table, a dart, and a scoring board. Wow, look at the size of this swimming pool. So we'll start off with this patio area. As you can see behind me, there's a barbecue area and another dining table and a relaxing area next to the pool. So we are done with this amazing house tour. For more information, just click on the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Bye!